Hi y'all, it's Karma here. Hope you're having an amazing day. I'm sending you out some light and love. Take a minute and breathe in deep and know that I think about you guys all the time, and I'm sending out my loving energy to you to brighten your day and make you feel better if you're struggling at all. Today we're opening not one, but two Enchanted Crystal boxes. So what happened is, when I canceled all the boxes and then decided that I couldn't let Enchanted Crystal go either, I went ahead and somehow ordered a new box instead of reactivating my old box. So then I had to go back in and cancel the new box and reactivate the old box. Long story short, ooh la la, we get two boxes for March. So I thought I would do the unboxing with both of them today. Hopefully they're not the same, but that's one nice thing about this box is everyone gets different stones. So the boxes shouldn't be the same, which is why I'm excited to have both boxes and keep them rather than mailing one back to them. So because I've got two boxes, we're not going to review last month's box on this video. We normally do, but we're going to probably skip that this month and next month because of opening two boxes, and then next month I don't want to review two different boxes. But remember, in last month's box, probably my favorite thing that I got was the Que Sera tower. That was absolutely gorgeous. The other thing that I really loved was the Marcasite. So amazing. Oh, and the Shaman Stone too. The Shaman Stone was really cool too. So the Ulexite, you know, I've gotten one of those already from this box, but to have three stones out of a box that I absolutely love makes it so worth the cost. So the cost for this box, let's go over the description a little bit here. This is a monthly subscription box, and like I said, you actually get different gems. It's not curated with the same gems for every box that goes out. So that's what makes it fun watching other people unboxing videos too. It's a monthly subscription box. I do get the master box, which is $39 a month. And the master box includes 4 to 6 crystal and mineral specimens and a grid cloth and a bag of bonus gems. So this one is one that's really well worth the cost. The only thing that I wish they would do that they don't do that all the other boxes do is there's nothing in there that actually gives you a description on the metaphysical properties of the stone. But in today's day and age, it's so easy to just look it up on the internet and choose from some of the sources that you really respect and like what they say. One thing I will say about stones is when you get a stone, even if you read all about the stone and what it has, really meditate and hold that stone and get to know that stone, because sometimes, you know, halite is not a halite is not a halite, and different ones will resonate with you, and different ones will even have a little slight different energy to them as well. So let's start with box number 1. So when you open the box each time, you've got the little newsletter on the top, which I won't read. It usually just has some nice stuff for us, but nothing super important. And you have your grid cloth, and I'll have 2 of these, so one of them will definitely go in the giveaway. And you know I love purple. Then we have the little bonus bag that we'll look at, and then inside you've got this nice little wrapping. You open it up, and all your gems are down in there in these little bags. So, what do we have? Move some of these over. So here first is our crystal grid, and I love the purple. So pretty. Then let's dig right in. First we have a Garnet Set. snowy garnet set. And I just got a little garnet necklace in the Mindful Souls box. These are really pretty. And they're actually like, I don't know how many sides there are to it, so let me put this. It's a set of 3, very variated. So, whoop! So this is the largest one. Come on, focus. Really pretty. There's 3 of them. Super pretty. And I don't have any garnets like that, so I am actually excited to have that. Next we have a hematite. A leopard skin Jasper tower. Oh, I love leopard skin Jasper. So pretty. I love leopard skin Jasper. An Apache Tear Set, and I believe I've had Apache Tear Sets from him before. Maybe it was just one Apache Tear. I think it was even in last month's box. Two more in this box. An azurite. Ooh. Last one in this box is a Selenite castle. Wonder if that's like a Selenite tower or if it's actually like shaped in a castle. Yeah, okay. So they're just calling it a castle because of the way they are shaped, but I call them the Selenite tower. And let's see, get it out of the paper for you. And I love these, so having another one to set around is amazing. It clears the energy, you can touch any stone to it, and it will cleanse that stone. It is water soluble, so you do want to be careful around water and not get it in water. There you go. Very pretty. So far so good. I like the first box. What was your favorite thing in the first box? You know, I think it might be the leopard skin tower for me. Yeah, I think that might be my favorite in this box. What are yours? Oh, forgot the gem bag. I'll show you the gem bag really quickly. So in the gem bag, the bonus gem bag, it says yellow hematoid quartz, Madagascar quartz, and black tourmaline. You can see the black tourmaline easily. And then, oh look, oh that is so cute. That little quartz on the end has a little baby thing there. Little baby quartz coming, or baby crystal coming off it. So there's your bonus bag. Okay, box number 2. Same kind of thing opening up, so I'm not going to belabor and show you the packaging and everything. And we'll just get right to the stones. So here we've got our grid cloth again. And this one says yellow Hematite quartz, red Madagascar quartz, and Madagascar amethyst. So I got different things even in the bonus bag. There you go. And those little amethyst points and stuff are great for crystal grids. And a lot of these end up in my giveaways when I do crystal grid sets for my giveaways. So that may end up in there. Cute little amethyst points. All right, so let's get in. That last box was good, but it didn't make me jump for joy. So hopefully there's something amazing in here that makes me want to go, oh, I'm so excited to work with this month. There were beautiful pieces in there and it was worth it. Just nothing that made me jump and jump and jump. All right, so first we have calcite and aracalcite, rare. And they did quit putting rare on all of their stuff, so usually when they say it's rare now, it actually is rare when I look it up. So let's see. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Really pretty. Okay. A Ulexite TV rock. So that's the third one of those that I've gotten in these boxes. Now that is over a year, but the one I just got a month ago. So this probably was the new subscription one because he didn't know that it was me. And so that's probably why it was in there. So if I didn't have one, then that would be great. If you haven't ever seen one, I'll open it up and show you, but this will definitely go in the giveaway, which isn't a bad thing. One of you will get to enjoy one. Come on. Oh, this is a nice big chunk. And what it's meant to do is, when you put it up to writing, it actually amplifies the writing and makes it bigger. So it is kind of a cool little stone. Then we have, ooh, Peridot On Matrix. I love Peridot, so pretty. And Matrix. You're always going to get me with a matrix. I tend to really like raw formed matrices. They just, I don't know, add so much to be able to see it the way it's growing. Pretty. That's really nice. Look at that. Then we have Mimenite? Mimenite? Do you know how to pronounce that? Write in the comments below if you do. It's either a Mimenite or a Mimenite. Mimenite. Mimite? Mimenite. Let me know. Wow. That's interesting. And last but not least, Astrophyllite in Garnet. Astrophyllite. I know I like Apophyllite. Astrophyllite. And in Garnet, and it does say it's rare. Ooh, I'm excited to see this one. Ooh. That is really gorgeous. It's so dense and dark, and then has the red in there, the garnets in there. That's really amazing. That's going to be fun to work with. I haven't worked with garnets a lot. Have you worked with garnets very much? Let me know in the comments below if you have and what your experience is with it, what you recommend that I do to work with this tower. Wow. So I definitely like the second box better than the first box, and that must be because the second box was me reactivating my normal account where he knows what he's already sent me. Now it did, however, have this in it, so not quite sure. But if in a year's time all I've gotten is a couple of extra of the Ulexite, the TV rock is what I wanted to call it, I'm okay with that, because for the price, amazing box. So we got in the first box, let's recap really quickly, we got the bonus bag with the Hematite quartz, the Madagascar quartz, and the black tourmaline. And then for stones, we got the Molly Garnet Set, the Apache Tear Set, the Leopard Skin Jasper Tower, the Selenite Castle, and the Hematite Azurite. Then in this second box, we got the bonus bag with yellow Hematite quartz, red Madagascar quartz, and Madagascar amethyst. And inside the box was calcite and uricalcite. That was rare. The Ulexite TV rock, the Astrophyllite in Garnet Tower, which was right here. Gorgeous. I'm still like holding on to it if that tells you anything. And then the Mimenite or Mimenite, and then the Peridot On Matrix. So this was a great box. I really enjoyed the stones. 2 thumbs up for both boxes. Good job, Adam at Enchanted Crystal. Thanks for joining me here today. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that thumbs up button for me. Come back often to the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.